Okay, for those of you who don't know, this is the only way to heat a pizza. You take your slice, get your big pan that has a lid, turn the pan on, let this heat up. Microwave is bad because it's gonna make the pizza chewy. Oven's bad because everything's just gonna be kind of too crispy. You want the gooey top and you want the crispy bottom still. That's where the pan comes in. All right, and then when your pan's nice and hot, you're gonna put your slice on. No oil necessary, just put your slice on like this. Have the bottom cook for like maybe 30 seconds, a minute. And then you get some water, just a little bit. And pour it on the side. And you're gonna put the top on. You're gonna let this all steam up. And we're gonna have this go for like maybe 3 or 4 minutes until the top's nice and gooey. You can walk away from it. I just don't want the water touching any of the pizza. Just let it go. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes. We should be good. Look at that. Gooey top, and it's gonna be nice and crisp bottom. It's really hot. Let's take a look at the bottom. Look at that. Perfect. Okay, let's take a bite. Oh, look at that. Mmm. Just like as if it came out of the pizza oven. Yeah, not as fast as the microwave, obviously. Definitely faster than the oven, but is this actually the best way to reheat pizza? Or do we just eat it cold? Because that's good too. I love cold pizza. Okay, that's it. Goodbye.